Hey, I want to say a big thank you to AROYA for sending over the AROYA Go for me to review. I'm going to be setting up the sensor platform in my own home grow to take it to the next level. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Hello, fellow ag tech enthusiast. I'm Christine Tulio with Cannabis Tech, and I'm so excited because I just received my AROYA Go in the mail. And we all know that knowledge is power, and the tools in this box are going to give me the power to start fast, grow better, and go further. Let's see what's inside. The packaging is beautiful, by the way. Nice design, sturdy. This top layer has a welcome message, and it has a diagram of everything that's included in the box, except for, of course, the plant. There is no cannabis plant in this box. I suppose they could include some seeds. These are your two AROYA Terrace 1 substrate sensors, and these sensors will work in any type of substrate. They will track your temperature, electrical conductivity, as well as volumetric water content. This is your Climate One aspiration climate station, which allows you to collect atmospheric data, such as air temperature, relative humidity, vapor pressure deficit, and CO2. So let's see what is on the bottom layer. Okay, so in here we have the AROYA gateway, which connects to your sensors. Don't know. Have to do a little more research on these. I'm not sure.